The big story that we have for you this afternoon is coming from the national capital. Death toll continues to mount in Mustafabad tragedy in Delhi. At least 6 people have lost their lives after a building collapsed at midnight. Search operations are underway to locate survivors if there are any. Now, this incident happened early morning. CCTV visuals show the moment the building came crashing down, and you can actually see the building coming crashing down in just a few seconds. Visuals show dust billowing into the air, obscuring the view as the building turned into rubble. Rescue teams from the National Disaster Response Force, NDRF Delhi, Delhi Police and local authorities have launched an operation to locate and evacuate those who are still missing. The collapse is believed to have been triggered by a dust storm. We saw the dust storm, the weather changing last evening, and heavy rains that hit parts of the national capital late last night. The police will also investigate the reason behind the collapse. Shivani Mishra is now joining us live for more on this. Shivani, bring us up to speed with how the situation is like right now in Mustafabad.
Well, talking about the situation right now, the picture still remains the same, that Dilip Sahu is taking you across, that cranes are here, rescue operation is still going on, debris are at its place. But yes, the number of rescued people have risen to 22, which was 14 early in the morning. And now there are 2 kids, those have been found alive. There is a mother of them that has been found alive. But on the other hand, there were 2 men, those who are taken out from the debris are said to be very critical, and hence they have been shifted to the hospital nearby. And as we can see, yes, yet as well, the rescue operation continues. Ambulances are here at the place. NDRF, Delhi Police and further other teams are still working out to find out people. There are over 10 people still said to be stuck inside, including few women and children, and henceforth the risk is quite much. And also they are saying that they are on one after another passing on the oxygen cylinders, and also the water supply is being shared. But indeed the place is quite tiny, and henceforth it is taking much more time for the teams to just remove the debris and find out the people. In fact, there are locals, those are also helping them out. But this incident took place between 2:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. and it is said to be an effect of the dust storm that was happening last night. In fact, there were people, those who said that it was a very huge noise that they could feel, and when they came out of their balconies, their doors, they saw a building collapse, and immediately people rushed to call the police and help the people, those they could find easily, and they were shifted to hospital. And henceforth, early in the morning, the rescue number of people was quite high. But as of yet, in past 45 minutes, now there are at least 3 men, those have been found, and henceforth the number has risen to 22 of the rescue team, of the rescued people. As of yet, also the senior officials of the Delhi Police are also in the place to find out exactly what all assistance is needed. Constant coordination between the rescue teams and the hospital teams are underway, and clearly understanding the fact that there are notices, those are being issued, and here an inquiry has been initiated. Team those work closely with the mayor, those were also responsible to not take a note of such building. Those can collapse in any point of time in heavy rainfall or dust storm. They are someone, those against whom action will be initiated again. And as we are seeing, number of ambulances are here, and in fact I don't know if I can show you through the visual, but there are a few doors in which a lock has been placed. Those are still said to be the riskier buildings, the building that can collapse any point of time. And henceforth now an entire area will be probed as to how many such buildings or houses are there. Those are not in the right structure to be staying here. In fact, there was a challenge for the cranes and the JCBs to be brought here at that point of time in the morning.
Right.
In fact, the NDRF team was quite quick enough to provide the assistance between 10 minutes of time after the call was made to them.
Right. Shivani, request you to stay on with us. And as you're telling us that there are 10 people at least that are still feared, to be trapped under the rubble. The visuals are quite scary, and one of the visual viewers that you can see in the middle of the screen, that is the exact moment of collapse. This is from a CCTV that was that captured the exact moment of collapse when the building collapsed. The footage shows a sudden spark and a thick cloud of dust filling the alley, preventing any further recording of that moment. And there are about 10 people still feared trapped. Rescue operation is underway to ensure they come out as soon as possible. So far, 6 people unfortunately have lost their lives because of this building collapse. Here's a reaction from an eyewitness. Let's listen in.
सलमान है मेरा नाम।
कैसी बिल्डिंग गई क्या?
ये जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है रात के 2:38 की बात है। लगभग सभी सोए हुए थे, किसी को पता नहीं था और ऐसा कुछ इशू नहीं था कि बिल्डिंग टेम्परेरी थी या कुछ ख़राब थी या हमें लग रहा हो कि गिरने वाली है। सडनली एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। हमने जो कैमरे की क्लिप देखी है वो धीरे धीरे उसमें गिरा है और इस बिल्डिंग के अंदर 3 फ्लोर थे। फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे लैंडलॉर्ड रहते थे और सेकंड और थर्ड फ्लोर पे ये रेंट पे दे रखी थी। तो अब आइडिया नहीं है कि कितनी डेथ हुई है, क्या हुआ है। वो धीरे धीरे NDRF की टीम लगी हुई है। अब जब ये सब खुलेगा तब पता लगेगा।
And viewers, taking note of what happened in Mustafabad, the building collapse, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has ordered an investigation. She says that strict action will be taken against those who were responsible. Listen in.
सारे नियमों को ताक पे रख करके इस तरह की भवन निर्माण में जो अधिकारी दोषी हैं उनको भी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर या जो बिल्डर उसमें लगा है उसको भी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। और ये इतनी जिस तरह की बिल्डिंग्स यहाँ पे पूरे के पूरे शहर में हैं उन सब को नोटिफाई करके उन पे एक्शन होना चाहिए। इस तरह से जिस दुर्घटना होने के कारण लोगों का मारा जाना, क्षतिग्रस्त होना हम सब के लिए बड़ा पीड़ादायक है।